When it comes to internships, most students apply everywhere. HR, banking, finance, analytics, whatever they can apply because they're scared that they will not get an internship. But in this decade, not all industries are equal. Some industries accelerate your growth, some stagnate you, and some open global careers instantly. Let me share with you the Career Earth list of top industries based on our data and decision analytics framework. We also provide you with the roles and why it is so powerful. So let us start by asking you why industry choice matters for internship. The answer is simple. The industry you start in shapes your skills, your portfolio of projects, your network, which will become your net worth as your career progresses, your future growth opportunities, and even your salary trajectory. A recent study by the National Association of Colleges and Employers shows that students who intern in high growth industries earn 22 to 38% higher salaries within 3 years. Now assume that the inflation is about 5 to 7% per year. Then in real terms, your money grows in value. So choosing the right industry is a strategic advantage. Now let us look at the 7 industries we at Career Earth believe offers the best internship for strong long-term career growth. The first industry is the technology and artificial intelligence sector. Companies like Meta, Google, Facebook, and Amazon fall in this space. This is the fastest growing sector in the world. There is an acute shortage of AI trained manpower and workforce to be in this space. There is also a shortage of AI trainers who can help you upskill quickly. So there is a shortage on the supply side. Here you develop a skill today and before long that skill is no more relevant. It fades away. This industry requires people who are constantly learning and are on their toes. Data scientists, data engineering, data analytics, product development, testing, and Q&A support. Now, why are these roles important and powerful? First, because they're future-proof skills. They open doors to global opportunities, offer strong long-term salary growth, and provide a clear structured path for continuous upskilling, making it a resilient and scalable career choice in a rapidly changing market. According to a LinkedIn report, AI and tech internships grew 34% year on year. Can you imagine that? The next sector is fintech. Fintech is exploding, you know that. UPI, credit, insurance, lending, wealth tech, it is just going crazy. This domain opens up diverse career roles spanning financial analysis, risk management, product functions, data and business intelligence, digital banking and credit analytics, allowing professionals to work across both core finance and emerging technology driven functions. Fintech and blockchain. It offers high employability, builds a strong analytical foundation, and it uniquely combines mathematics, algorithm, technology, and banking expertise into one very interesting combination. This is in high demand globally. If you are pursuing BBA, BCom, MBA, engineering, and data science, you might want to look into this. The third industry is consulting and research. Companies like McKinsey, BCG, Bain, EY, and multiple boutique companies are looking in this space. This pathway leads to roles in market research, strategy analysis, financial modeling, industry studies, where professionals work closely with data, insights, and decision makers to influence high impact business outcomes. It builds deep thinking power, sharpens your communication skills, develops structured problem solving ability, making it ideal for careers that demand clarity, logic, and strategic judgment. NASSCOM says that consulting skills are amongst the top 5 demanded by employers. The fourth industry is digital marketing and content strategy. This is perfect for students who want fast results. The space offers roles across social media management, advertising, content creation, brand strategy, and even performance marketing, enabling professionals to work at the intersection of creativity, data, technology, and growth. It allows you to quickly build portfolio of projects. You can work as a freelancer from remote locations. It enables skill-based income, making it one of the most accessible modern career paths. Many students, while pursuing their education, also do digital marketing as a side gig. This gives them exposure and money. LinkedIn report suggests that digital marketing roles grew 29% in the past year. The fifth industry is design and user interface and user experience. This field includes roles such as UI UX design, graphic design, product design, motion graphics, where creativity meets user-centered problem solving across digital platforms. It is a portfolio-driven, highly freelance-friendly, and enjoys a strong global demand. And within 2 to 3 years, professionals can set up their own companies if they like. AI has impacted this industry, but consumer psychology is still best understood by humans. That is why there is a demand for this. The sixth industry is operations and supply chain. Domain spans logistics, FMCG, retail, e-commerce, supply chain management, vendor management, quality control, and so on. It is focused on improving efficiency and execution at scale. It offers high industry demand, is ideal for MBA students and operations focused students, provides real world exposure, builds a solid foundation in core management skills that are transferable across industries. You can be in operations today, do consulting tomorrow. The seventh industry is sustainability and ESG. The world is rapidly moving towards sustainability. This field offers roles in ESG reporting, CSR, sustainability analysis, and carbon accounting, supporting organizations in meeting regulatory, ethical, and environmental goals. It has strong global demand, represents a high growth niche, and is especially well suited for freshers with analytical or research capabilities, making it a future oriented career path. The next question, which is critical: how to choose your industry? Use the Career Earth Star framework. Ask, does this industry help you build high value? Is the industry aligned with long-term demand? How realistic is entry for you right now, given your background, location, network, and experience? Will experience in this industry strengthen your resume, credibility, and unlock better roles later for you? Based on the STAR framework, you should be able to identify the right industry. Not all internships are equal. Choose industries that build skills, portfolios, and long-term opportunities. Use the STAR test and choose roles that help you grow for the next decade. Meanwhile, subscribe, like, and comment on the next question that you would like us to answer. क्लैरिटी है तो ग्रोथ है तो करियर है, ये हमारा आपसे वादा है. Look forward to seeing you at Career Earth.